Aren't you impressed that I drive stick like a pro? This is amazing. You are literally like my musical soulmate. It's unbelievable. Except for all the Cure.
What's wrong with The Cure?
There's nothing wrong with the Cure, actually, but just the name, you know, the Cure. What are they? The curing. I get it. They should be called the cause, right?
Maybe I'll take this for a bit and you can just focus on driving.
Why, you don't like my sweet grooves?
It's just, I need something to distract myself from the fact that you're driving my car pretty recklessly right now.
I'm a great driver. Fine.
Oh, this is a really fancy parking job. It's good because if another car wants to park between us and the curb, they can get right in here.
Fine. I'll get closer to the curb, just for you. Just for you, Nick. Just because you're picky like that.
We're close enough to the curb now. We're right on it.